So we're setting up batter boards. We got our pad roughed in.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're basically outlining the building. So temporary batter boards, string lines. Right now it's basically somewhat marked out roughly square, so we kind of have an idea.
Mm-hmm.
And then after we get our batter boards and string lines up, we'll go ahead and fine tune that to 1/8 of an inch.
So why do you put batter boards and string lines up?
You use them as control lines. Control lines are basically the outside edge of the building.
Okay.
Should be able to go underneath without touching the line. 44 feet. We know we got 60 feet. The last thing to do is once we get our string lines up, we're going to go ahead and square it. It doesn't get any better than that.
Let me see.
For eyeballing, yeah, that's awesome. It's a 1/4 of an inch.
Diagonally measuring it.
Good.